Google Nest Hub Max is a great device. The large screen, integrated camera and microphone technology, and Google's AI represents the pinnacle of off-the-shelf smart home technology. However, there is a design flaw that can't be fixed without a third-party accessory. In this video, I review the Wasserstein Stand and Swivel for the Google Nest Hub Max and explain how adding the accessory will improve the usability of the smart display. In a recent video, I bought the Google Nest Hub Max to explore a brand new feature announced at Google I/O. During the review, I realized that the Hub Max suffers from one flaw that reduces the functionality of the device. That's the screen. It's not that the screen is poor quality or that the touch responsiveness is a little slow, which it can be, but that it's the wrong angle to be truly useful in all types of settings. The screen is fixed at a permanent 66 degrees, which is only optimal where the user is standing with the Hub Max placed on a countertop. This is fine if you're only using the Hub Max while you're standing in the kitchen with the device on a counter in close proximity, for example. However, the 66-degree angle is much less usable at distance, where your eye line starts to approach a 0-degree plane compared to the screen. The closer the viewing angle approaches horizontal, the more reflections interfere with being able to see the content on the screen clearly. The same is true if you wish to be seated while using the Hub Max. The only solution is to move and reposition the device on a table close to you to compensate. What's more, the issue affects Nest Cam when using the Hub Max as a security camera. The angle of the embedded camera is such that the video feed shows more of the ceiling than the room you're meant to be surveilling. It's with these built-in limitations in mind that the Wasserstein Stand with Swivel becomes a must-have accessory for Hub Max users. The Wasserstein Stand is available to buy directly from Wasserstein's own website or Amazon via the links included in the description below. It retails for only $27.99 US, and the unit comes pre-built with no assembly required. It feels solid and weighty, which is important for holding the weight of the Hub Max, which is already a substantial device. Installation is straightforward by sliding the Hub Max into the bracket. With the Hub Max in place, it feels well balanced with a broad footprint, and I have zero concerns about the stability of my Hub Max. In a nice little touch, the base also features some grooves to provide some basic cable management should you find you have excess cable you want to hide. The stand features the ability to tilt the screen forward, increasing the vertical plane from the original 66 degrees to 83 degrees. The much improved angle, while not 90 degrees, provides a much more user-friendly viewing angle from a sitting position or from distance if your Hub Max is mounted on a shelf. Better still, the Wasserstein Stand also features the ability to swivel the screen from left to right. This extra feature is great. It enables you to easily twist the screen to be more viewable if you happen to be positioned at any other angle other than straight on. Of course, you could simply twist the Hub Max without the stand, but there's something eminently more satisfying about having the purpose-built option in the hardware itself. The Wasserstein Stand for the Hub Max is perfect for any owner that finds the viewing angles less than optimal for their home setup. The stand adds extra usability that will satisfy anyone who wants to get more out of their Hub Max. Thanks for watching, and as always, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content on the connected home and personal technology.